Ladies and gentlemen, this is Ranjay Kumar, an actor and author. Once again, I'm in front of you with my another story. I remember when I was child, then I used to hear the voices of my mother, my father, relatives. They used to tell that Lord Buddha, Gautam Buddha, Lord Buddha was enlightened there only where I born, means or not that place where I born, not that particular place, but I'm trying to say that in that city in Gaya, and where Lord Buddha got enlightened, that place is not so far, means within 10 minutes I can reach there. Yes. Then I want to highlight a story that when I came to Mumbai, then I had to go to Juhu Beach. There is a station, Santa Cruz, Ville Parle, Andheri. Then I had to go there. Then as soon as I arrived to Santa Cruz station, then I got down and I quickly entered into the bus because I knew that 231 number bus goes to Juhu Beach. Not on beach, there was a person I had to meet him, and by mistake I didn't wear my watch, and as soon as I entered into the bus, then there was a person sitting on the window seat, and the chair was vacant there, the seat. Then I sat on that chair. Then I was just thinking that what's the time, because I had to arrive there at 5 o'clock. Then I saw that okay, he is wearing the watch. I told, Bhai Sahab, kya time hua hai? What is the time? He saw me like this. Hi, bhaiya. He talked like this. I was surprised at what happened to him. He said to me, hey, bhaiya. I said, oh, bhai sahab, kya hua? What happened? ऐसे क्यों बोल रहे हो? He did me like this. I felt so embarrassed, so bad I felt. I told, I couldn't think that time that why he is behaving like this. Hey bhaiya, chal, kya hai? He talked like this, and I got so much tension that means I couldn't react. Means how should I react at that moment? And I just hit like this. Yes, I hit like this, and on his face, on his mouth, and blood started coming out. Then he started abusing in Marathi. Hey, I don't want to abuse here. I can abuse in Marathi also. His words I can tell, but this that, and he started abusing. And bus was not started till that time. Then conductor came there, and he started shouting on me. Hey, काय झाला रे? काय झाला? काय चालतोय? Like this. What happened? Do you want to fight? Do you want to fight? Means he was chiding me only, and that person was talking like this bhaiya was doing like that. He asked me angrily, but I requested him that what's the time? Bhai sahab, time kya hua? Means I talk like this. Then I told that person, hey bhai, talk in Hindi, okay? Why talk in Marathi? I also can understand the Marathi, okay? I was talking all the things in Hindi. I said these all things. Then he again started abusing me. Then I told to conductor, see uncle, see, how is he talking? Then conductor told that you both go down. Then we both came down, and he started showing me his fist I will show you bhaiya, I will show you. I told, hey, why are you telling me bhaiya, bhaiya? I'm not your bhaiya. I'm your baap, father. Like I told like this. Then I know all the places there are many 90% good person are there, and 10% like this kind of people are there. Then, ladies and gentlemen, I told him that don't tell anything like this, okay? I'm from Bihar, but not like you, okay? I respect people. Then, ladies and gentlemen, I told to that person that I belong to that place where Lord Buddha got enlightened. So I respect all the people because I also have the knowledge that how to respect people, how to talk to people. My dear friend, I requested you for the time, but how did you talk? Then as soon as he listened my voice, my words about Lord Buddha, then he started requesting me for pardon. That please maaf kar do bhai, please pardon me bhai. Then I couldn't understand how fast he is feeling so bad of his behavior. Then I asked him that what happened? Why did you change your color? This color of behavior, why? Then he told, bhai, we all are Buddhist. Me, my family, all are Buddhist, and we worship Lord Buddha. And I'm very sorry that I behave like this with you. I'm very sorry. He started talking like this. Then I told him that, my dear friend, please don't behave badly to the people who belongs to Bihar. Just look at that person, that he is really bad. Yes, if he is really bad and he is talking badly with you, then you can make him understand that don't behave like this. The same thing I am doing with you. Did I talk badly or did I behave anything wrong? Did I abuse you? No. So look at that person. Look at the behavior of that person. Don't look at his state and you are behaving like that. At every place there are bad people, there are good people. So please do not do this. And if you want to know that what is respect, what is nice talking, what is polite talking, if you want to know all about this, I welcome you to Bihar. Come in the Bihar, meet me or meet to Bihari people. You will come to know and you will understand that what is the respect. What is the meaning of respect, you will come to know. Because in Bihar, if the person is from outside, then also we respect a lot. If that person have abused us, then also we ask that, sir, did I do anything wrong? Did I abuse you? Did I tell anything bad to you? Why are you abusing me? First we ask like this, very politely, because we respect at anyhow. This is the culture of Bihar. This is the culture of my place. Yes. That's why I proudly say that I belong to Bihar and I am Bihari. Yes. Thank you so much. I'll meet you once again with my next story. Thank you so much.